This is everything you need to consider when updating your lighting in the kitchen. Hey, my name's Sharon. With the kitchen being the heart of the home, it's essential to use both charming and useful lighting. Let's get into it. Kitchens can be elegant, beautiful spaces, and lighting can make all the difference. Instantly, you can enhance the ambience of your kitchen by adding a pendant light or wall light to suit the style of your kitchen. Whether it be chopping or grating, you need to be able to see what you're doing. So make sure you have task lighting above your hard-working areas. Getting enough light under overhead covers can be tricky. Puck lights are battery-operated stick-on lights. They're perfect for this type of lighting and ideal for renting. The next level of kitchen lighting is sensor lights. Put them in places like the pantry. These come on when you need them and turn off when you don't. How convenient is that? Where possible, utilise natural light. It's a great way to keep your space vibrant and well lit during the day. And there you have it, some bright ideas for a well lit kitchen. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.